Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the cheapest VR headset that I could find. So this is the cheapest VR headset you can see being assembled on the screen right now. And yes, it's relatively easy to do. Takes 10 to 15 seconds to complete it, maybe 20, depends how dexterous you are with your hands, and yeah, you'll be able to assemble this. As you can see, I'm going to do it right now. It's just easy, it's so fast, and the link I'm giving you is with this, because you will find this band. You will find, for some reason, God knows why, but you can find a more expensive one without this band. I put the link with the band in, and yeah, you just attach this band to the both sides as I did on the animation, and then you simply just push it in, and then put the top on, and this top is where you put your phone in, and you don't need this. This is just here to keep it all in compact, and it also tells you the instructions as well, so it's very good. And of course it comes with the lens already in there, and it will come with a plastic overlay that you will peel off to keep the lens intact and that you won't get any scratch marks on it, and it will be clean. It also comes with an antibacterial wipe. It should come with one. If it doesn't, they may have changed it. And yeah, I'm surprised it costs £2.48. I paid £2.99. I shouldn't have. I paid 51p extra. But it's alright. But this is the cheapest one. I have been using this for a day, so this is it's not going to be a full review. I use it for today, sole day. And also, if you are able to do this on your device, go on settings and you can go change your resolution of your screen. Change that whenever using anything AR related, VR related. Keep your settings onto your screen pixels. Make sure that's the highest you can do. So if your phone is able to do 720, but for some reason you're doing 480 on your home screen display, change that to 720. Just keep it like that because it's better. It does consume more battery percentage, but it's better quality. You're not stressing your eyes as much. And the reason I said that you need to increase your quality is because when you go into this, if you do not do that, you can literally see the parts of the pixels. If you focus very hard, you'll be able to see it. This lighting is terrible. Okay, stop. Yeah, that's what I want to say. I will be reviewing this for a week and a month, and I will upload my week one in a week, of course. And yeah, I will tell you how this goes. And yes, as we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. This is my first ever unboxing video. I didn't even record unboxing it. Okay, yes, this is my first unboxing video. But yes, if you like the video, and if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure to like this video and comment you want another unboxing video, and then I will do an unboxing video for another piece of tech, maybe another VR headset. Maybe not, because then I'll have two. Then I won't be able to then I won't be able to use one. But anyway, comment down in the description what I should unbox next. Make sure it's a reasonable price. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. And before you go, I got my glasses. Yes, look, you saw me without glasses. Now you got me with these glasses. These are, they're so good. And they fit me perfectly, you know, the ring. This is not a glasses unboxing video. But yes, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!